Bluetooth V5.0, A2DP, AVRCP, fast mobile mic to soundbar connection, effective and stable transmissions, and strong anti-interference. Connect the soundbar to the microphone via Bluetooth to set the mood for your next party or to relax with a nice song. Has a power bass inversion design. Equipped with two full-range speakers with powerful bass inversion design that produces less vibration, our soundbar is ideal. Also designed with 2.0 channel with DSP technology for an amazing clear sound outcome. Stable wireless performance. With the high signal output, ultra-wide frequency response and on and off switch of the microphone for stage control, our wireless soundbar with mic and remote control is perfect for stage performances and in studio use. UNIDIRECTIONAL, dynamic microphone. Our wireless soundbar with microphone is a unidirectional cordless mic with polar pickup pattern that captures your voice clearly. It has a frequency response of 50 Hz to 12 kHz made with a zinc alloy material. Easy to set up soundbar. With the 10 meters range of our wireless karaoke system, our soundbar together with the two mics are easy to set up and operate. Open up the Bluetooth or connecting via USB and aux. Enjoy up to 1.5 hours of usage with full blast volume. Top reviews from the United States. Small size, great sound, everyone will love it. Wow! What can I say? The soundbar is an awesome Bluetooth speaker, with great sound for its size and the microphones are really cool, making for a great, portable PA system or karaoke. It is super easy to set up the Bluetooth, and the remote control adds great echo sound effects and makes it super easy to switch between songs. I was intending to give these to my kids, but I am so impressed and like them so much that I think I will just keep them for myself.